Well, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmama, and I am bringing you what's a dry erase board, and it is the magnetic time planner set. It's a magnetic calendar with three markers with erase to wipe the board, birthday planner with 60 rounds for dates, and stickers for notes. So I'm going to put this upstairs in my art room, and I just thought, well, let's look at it. I like this actually. This will go up in my art room. Try to get it open. That's really nice. And this is it. It's got a piece of sponge in the back I'll use for something else. This is the birthday planner in the back with the little dog and everything. And then this is the months, and this is nice. I have one on my refrigerator, but this in my art room would be very, very good. And it's also very artsy and crafty. So if you like this, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll put everything in my comment section. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.